This video quickly walks you through on how to create username on WhatsApp. With this development, instead of sharing your phone number to people to connect with you on WhatsApp, you can just give them your username. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to get to your WhatsApp application. Just as you can see right now, just tap on it. As the app opens, the next step is to get to your settings. Alright, so here I'm using iPhone, so I will tap on my profile icon, which is at the bottom right. Once you're here, scroll down a little and then tap on account. On tapping on account, you will see some options, and one of them here is username. Tap on that username. Alright, if you're using this for the first time, you will see the information I'm showing on the screen right now. Alright, so the next step is to tap on create username. On tapping on create username, enter the username you want to bear. If it's available, the system will tell you that it's available. So let me enter mine. You can see Uzochukwu mic is not available here. So I will make some changes. This Uzochukwu.mic. So let's use that. Not available. Then let me say NG, alright? And you can see that is it. This one is available, so I can still make some adjustments. All right, what this means is Uzochukwu mic Nigeria. All right, Uzochukwu.mic Nigeria. That's what that ng stands for. So once you're done with choosing the right username for yourself, then tap on the save button, which is at the top right. On tapping on save button, you will see you reserved at uzochukwu.micng. Alright, in this case. So any username you choose will be reserved for you. So with this, you can share this at uzochukwu.micng in my own case to people instead of my phone number. So once they click on that, they can get to me on WhatsApp. So the next step is to tap on done. Then I will get back. Alright, so I'll get to my profile. You can see this username is now added to my name. So I don't need to share my phone number, but the username, so that they can contact me through WhatsApp. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.